6 ways to avoid mortgage mistakes and secure your dream home. Welcome back to my channel, where we provide you with valuable insight into the world of real estate. So today I will be discussing 6 important tips to help you avoid common mortgage mistakes and make your home buying process smooth and successful. First, hey, this is KG. I'm a realtor with Fairfax Realty in Greenbelt, where we help buyers to buy their dream home and sellers to sell their houses, and investors also to achieve their real estate dreams. So if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate in the DMV area or any part of the union, let's connect. And don't forget, please subscribe to the channel to get updates once we upload a new video. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you. So today, 6 ways to avoid mortgage mistakes when you're buying a house. So the first tip is understand your financial situation. So before you dive into the mortgage process, take a close look at your finances. Assess your income, expenses, and savings to determine what you can comfortably afford. This will help you set realistic expectations and avoid getting in over your head. Second, shop around for the best mortgage rates. So don't settle for the first mortgage offer that comes your way. Take time to shop around and compare rates from multiple lenders. Even a slight difference in interest rate can and do have significant impact on your monthly payments and your overall savings. So in a previous video, check it out, I discussed the difference between using a mortgage broker or a bank for your mortgage loan. So go ahead and check it out so that you know which one is good for you. Tip number 3, get pre-approved for a mortgage. So to strengthen your position as a buyer, you want to get pre-approved for a mortgage before you start your home search. This will demonstrate your seriousness and actually give you a clear budget to work with. Plus, it will help streamline the closing process once you find your dream home. Because when you find your dream home, that's not where you want to start pre-approval. Fourth, avoid big purchases or new line of credit. So during the mortgage process, it is crucial to maintain your financial stability. Avoid making any big purchases or opening a new line of credit, as this can affect your credit score and your debt to income ratio. Lenders want to see consistency and responsible financial behavior. They check your credit even before you close, so you want to be aware of that. Fifth one is review fine print and ask questions. It's going to be a lot of documents when you're buying a house. So when presented with mortgage document, don't rush through it. Don't rush through them. Take the time to review all the terms and conditions and fees. If something is unclear, do not hesitate to ask your lender for clarification. It is essential to fully understand your mortgage agreement. You know, it is an agreement. Once you sign it, you are on the hook. So you want to understand it. The fifth one is sixth, with a knowledgeable professional, mortgage professional that is. Finally, you want to partner with a knowledgeable and trusted mortgage professional who can guide you through the process. They will explain your options, help you navigate complex paperwork, and ensure that you make informed decisions along the way. So you want to talk to your family, friends, or realtor to refer you to a trusted mortgage lender. So this concludes the video on 6 ways to avoid mortgage mistake and secure your dream home. So I hope you found these tips valuable and insight. So if you have any question or want to share your own experiences, please leave a comment below, and don't forget, subscribe to the channel for more helpful hints on home buying and real estate. So happy buying. So once again, this is KG. I'm a realtor in Fairfax Realty in DMV area. So happy buying.